Here's a popular body style, unique, especially in classics. 1966 Chevrolet Chevelle SS, two-door hardtop. Yes, real deal SS 138 VIN code car. $396 under the hood, actually a 1968 $396. Paired up with an automatic transmission. Go ahead and take a look at the front chrome, grille, headlights, surrounds. Also very nicely equipped. Power steering, power brakes, AC. Have had the AC compressor kick on and off, blow cold. Riding on the rally style wheels, Cooper Cobras. If you want to check out the still pictures, so you can take a peek at that engine bay, look at the interior, the undersides. UniqueClassicCars.com. Click on the link down below this video in the description. It's going to take you right there. And of course, you can call us 507-386-1726. Something else you can check out in the still pictures will be the VIN and the data plate. And you're going to be able to see a few things on there, such as this is a D paint code car. So it would be mist blue, has had a repaint. Say it's a little closer to marina blue, my opinion. Interior, you're going to see a 763. So that is the original color interior, black vinyl. This is also a factory console car, factory AC car, factory automatic. Some of the options on it, you'll be able to see that on that data tag also. As we look up and down this passenger side. As you can see, paint shows well. You may find some small imperfections here and there, maybe a little bit in the clear. I don't even know if I can get it to stand out. But overall, nice looking car. Take your time looking through the still pictures. Remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email. Take a look at the rear chrome, and as you can see, dual exhaust. Also remember, we have an open door policy. If you'd like a third-party inspector to come take a peek at it, not a problem. We have a hoist available for them. If you can't make it yourself, common occurrence around here that they'll stop by and check them out. Feel free to have that done too if you can't come see it yourself. But there'll be over 100 pictures of this car online, top to bottom, inside and out, at UniqueClassicCars.com. Let's go ahead and take a peek from the rear of the car to the front on the driver's side. We're going to fire it up here at the end of the video, check out that engine bay, see what's going on underneath there, let you hear it run. And we'll also take a little closer look at this interior. It's got seat belts, front and rear. Door panels, there'll be pictures of the undersides of the doors as well as the pans in those still pictures. I also lifted up the floor mats so you can see that in the still pictures. You can see these seats are pretty much free of any rips, tears, or holes. A tad bit of wear over here in the piping, the driver's side from going in and out. Speakers in the rear deck. I have had the AM/FM stereo working, retro sound style stereo to it. Let's go ahead and fire this up. Let's hear it run. Little rumble coming out of that 396. Stereo working. Oh, older style tack here. It's pretty cool. That is working. There's also an auxiliary input. That's that wire that's hanging down there. This is obviously from the key tag. Look at this. Got a second hand going around in that clock. Working clock. Of course, center console. Dash. Let's take a peek at the headliner. Also in good shape. Door closes nicely. Slip around to the back so you hear this run a tad here. Sounding good. Again, $396. I'm going to pause this a second. I'm gonna pop the hood. Let's check out that engine bay and we'll wrap up this video.
Hey, did you know that this car qualifies for an extended warranty? It's just like the one you get at your new car dealership, except it covers your classic car instead. It covers all the major components like engine, transmission, drivetrain, and you can get coverage up to 10 years. Repairs aren't cheap. These extended warranties are a no-brainer. Contact us for a quote on this car today.
Underside of the hood, painted to match. You can see that call tag or data tag back here. Like I said, there'll be a close-up picture of that. Power steering, power brakes. Newer style AC compressor has been converted. 134, aluminum radiator. Red top, Optima battery. Good looking engine bay. Don't be afraid to take this one to your local shows, cruise-ins, roll-ins. There's an Edelbrock reformer intake on there, of course, four-barrel carb, HEI ignition. 1966 real deal Chevrolet Chevelle SS 2-door hardtop. UniqueClassicCars.com. Click on the link down below this video in the description. It's going to take you right there. 507-386-1726. We do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email.